Mark the roof for installation using the plate mounting holes as a template. Drill 4 holes through entire roof sheathing and clean away any debris. Cut the foam and PVC tube to suit the thickness of the roofing material. Screw toggles to the end of the bolts. Ensure the threaded rod is equal with the toggle bolt by making 6 360-degree turns with the toggle. Install the 4 toggle bolts through the holes in the plate. Insert the bolt threads through foam and PVC tubes. Place the toggles into the holes and push plate down to lay flat on membrane. When plate is flat on roofing membrane, pull up the bolts and shake to release the toggles underneath the roofing. Once all bolts are protruding, screw them tightly to the plate with a drill. Tighten the bolts with a ratchet. Place the waterproofing membrane over plate, cutting a hole to accommodate the eye bolt assembly. Seal as per waterproofing manufacturer's instructions. The washer has a sticker back that needs to be peeled off before it is stuck to the membrane. Fasten the eye bolt to the anchor. It is recommended to use Loctite when installing the eye bolt. Tighten the eye bolt at its base, not through the eye bolt, to prevent deformation. The Safeways membrane anchor offers easy drop-through installation from the roof surface with a 360-degree working radius and an elevated anchor point to prevent wear and tear on the roof surface. Visit us online for full details.